Hi friends, are you ready to tap into the limitless potential of AI powered language models? Do you want to unlock the true power of LLM AI assistants like ChatGPT? Well, you are at the right place. I am Dr. Vijesh Jain and I am thrilled to introduce you to my Udemy course, Prompt Engineering Unleashing the Power of LLM AI Assistants like ChatGPT. Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, unsure of what to ask ChatGPT? Or maybe you have gotten responses that were close but not quite what you were looking for. That is where this course comes in. Whatever you are doing, whether you are a writer, a developer, a marketer, a student, or just someone curious about AI, this course is designed for you. We will dive into the art of prompt engineering. You might be wondering, what's that? Well, it is the skill of crafting the perfect questions and prompts to get the results you desire from AI assistants like ChatGPT. Well, it is the skill of crafting the perfect questions and prompts to get the results you desire from AI assistants like ChatGPT. And let me tell you, it is a game changer. This course is structured to take you from a complete beginner to a confident prompt engineer. We will start with the fundamentals here. You will understand the inner workings of the language models, how they process information, and why your choice of words and phrases matters. But we don't stop here. We will delve into advanced techniques too. You will learn how to fine tune your prompts for different tasks. Whether you are drafting emails, writing code, or even generating creative contents. Imagine having the ability to generate compelling marketing copy in an instant, creating detailed outlines for your next novel, or even get AI generated coding suggestions tailored to your project. And you know what's even more exciting? This course includes real world case studies, interactive exercises, and a supportive community of fellow learners. You will get hands on practice and personalized feedback to ensure you are mastering the art of prompt engineering. Don't miss out on this opportunity to truly unleash the power of ChatGPT and other LLM AI assistants. Enroll now in prompt engineering, this course unleashing the power of LLM AI assistants like ChatGPT on